Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is my Vlogmas day 17. So here's how my blanket's looking. I put in that red and it just looks beautiful next to that purple. I just love it so much. I love how that red just pops right there. That was a great next color. So anyway, I'm going to be adding in a new color on my blanket this evening. And so let's see what color I'll be adding in. I love to see what color's next. Woo! Yellow. And this is that Red Heart bright yellow, I can tell. Woo, that's a nice big ball of that, so it'll go far. Yes, bright yellow. I'm sure that's Red Heart bright yellow, but yes, that will be real pretty on top of that red, won't it? Some of it will be on top of the, well, just a little bit. It'll be on top of the purple, and then it'll be on top of the red. So, yeah, that's going to be another bright spot. But you know how sometimes when you're just using random balls of yarn, you might have like different shades of blues or greens, and it's kind of looking, I don't know the word. Not dark, but not scrappy enough or something, you know. And then you throw in something like this, and it just gives it that pop. So I loved that red. I loved it that the pop that red gave, but boy, that's going to give it another good pop, isn't it? So that will be beautiful on there. Thank you so much, Terry. This is such a fun project. Like, I think I should just work on this project the rest of my life. That will be great. So, I can't wait to do that this evening. I found a show on Hulu. It's a Hardy Boys Series 1. It's kind of a mystery detective-y type show. That's the kind of shows I like. So, I'll be watching that this afternoon and working on my scrappy blanket. And so, I have some Christmas cards I'd like to share with you all. I had about 2 or 3 of them, and I forgot to share in the last video. Just so much going on. Okay, so this card is from Rosie. Thank you, Rosie. I know you comment all the time. And Rosie lives in New Mexico. So, this is Rosie's card. Very, very beautiful. I hope you can see all that sparkle in those trees. Can't you just imagine sitting on a bench at the edge of the water, wrapped up in some big cozy crocheted blanket, crocheting or reading a book or something, and that's your view? Beautiful, beautiful. And Rosie wrote a little note in here. Thank you so much. I appreciate that so, so much. Thank you. And I'll be hanging that, adding that to my wall of cards. And I am still going to share a clip of that, but I wanted to get some more cards up there. This is from Victoria in Arkansas. She's just a state up of, no, not Arkansas, Alaska. I don't know why I said Arkansas. This is Alaskan Crafty Girl. Alaska Crafty Girl. Victoria. I knew that. I'd already opened this card, but it's been a couple of days ago. Or a day or two ago. And Jody really did like this card. Look at that beautiful eagle. Jody has taken some pictures of eagles. And so he really did like that. And seeing that. And then it was a card from Alaska. He has taken lots of pictures of eagles. Up the road from us is a place where some eagles are all the time, and so he stops there and takes pictures sometimes. And I love this. I love your message and what you wrote on the inside. I appreciate that so much, Victoria. Y'all check out her channel. It's Alaska Crafty Gal. I might have said that. I might have said girl earlier, but it's actually Crafty Gal. Yeah. So y'all check Victoria out there. Phoebe's over here wanting me to pick her up. And then this card is from New York, and it's from Shirley. I appreciate that. Okay, so let's see what's in Shirley's card. May your Christmas be merry and bright. Look at that. Brings back memories from when my kiddos were little and just amazed by the tree. Cute little kids. Hoping you believe in the magic of Christmas this year, Shirley. And she also watches Terri, and she's watching our yarn swap and our granny rectangles grow. Thanks for watching. We appreciate that so much. I know Terri does too. And then this card is from Louisiana, from Kenner, Louisiana. And it is from, hold on a second. Well, it's from, it doesn't give her first name. I think I know her first name, but I don't want to just say it. But anyway, she didn't write her name in the card. I'll have to just write what she wrote here in the card, so when I look at the cards again another year, that I'll know who it was from. Anyway, but it was so nice getting a card from Louisiana. So in Louisiana, there's these trolleys that run the streets. In between, there's, you know, like pavement here and some rails in the trolleys. And so there's Santa Claus, see a crab, some an alligator playing the banjo. And downtown in that area of New Orleans, there's always like music playing on the sidewalks, different people set up playing music, just a lot going on. And so that does, like when I looked at this card, like I could hear New Orleans. So you can see on the trolley, there's instruments hanging out. It was like it's a frog. I thought it was alligator. It looks like a trolley full of alligators and stuff like that. But yeah, when I looked at this card, I could instantly hear New Orleans. Oh, and guess what? There is a red beans and rice and sausage recipe on the back. I'll have to show that to Big Daddy. Yeah, there's a recipe on the back there. Isn't that cool? Thank you so much for this card. I appreciate that. Great, great, great. Let's see. So today I don't have much going on. Just, you know, making it day to day. I have a loom knit hat on. And then I stuck this on there. This bow, it's just stuck in with a clip so I can take it off when I wash my hat, and then I just clip it back on. And actually I have a big bag hanging from the coat rack thing by the front door in the parlor. And I have a bag, a llama bag that someone had sent me, hanging there. It's like a canvas, just a canvas white bag with a llama on the front of it. I have that hanging there, and I have all my hats that I wear, my personal hats, in that bag. And then so as I'm leaving out of the house or something, I can just look in there and see what color hats I got and pick one that goes with what I'm wearing. And then sometimes I do wear a hat in the house. If it's cool, I'll wear a hat just to help hold in heat and such. We don't really heat part of the house. We heat one part and not the other part. And so, because there's no one there. So it's no use in heating the whole house. But anyway, I just appreciate you all watching and checking in with me. I don't have anything very exciting to say. Except I'm glad to be here, and I'm glad you're here, and I appreciate you watching. And guess what? I'll see you all again tomorrow for day 18. My little baggies here, I took all of Terri's bags and put them up under the tree over here, and they are, you know, dwindling down. At first, I kind of panicked because I couldn't find number 17, but it was turned over where the number was down, and I was like looking at all the bags. It was the last one I picked up, and I was about to panic because on the other side of this, right down here, there is a garbage can because our coffee station is right here. So there's a little wastebasket down here. And I've told the boys, you know, be careful, make sure none of these baggies fall off into that wastebasket. And so I always am checking that wastebasket to make sure there's no baggies in there. And there have not been so far. And so I kind of like almost a little bit panicked whenever I couldn't find 17. I thought, oh no, it's been in the trash. But it was here. It was just turned over where I couldn't see the number. So I have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Well, and then 25, Terry did send me a little sweet package here to open. I don't know if I'll open this Christmas Day or if I will wait until I finish them all and then open it. We'll see. You might hear Phoebe over there kind of snorting. She's doing one of those inverted sneezes. She's fine. See, it's been passed. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all soon.